Hey, what's up? My name is Tramel Moody, aka Bad Moods, and I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I got into making beats. It was like my senior year in high school. I took this radio class. I had the opportunity to learn how to work with the boards and things like that, continuing to research on, hey, how can I actually create my own beats? Early college, like my first year in college, I actually really started making beats. I started having a passion for sampling. So sampling was like, okay, this is like something I can see myself doing a lot of. I love soul. I grew up in a household where every Saturday morning, every Sunday morning, you hear soul records playing in the household. This when I was younger. And they always had records. And I remember my mom telling me a story. They had so many records. One day they came home and someone broke in their house and stole all of their records. My main record store I visit a lot, I visit most frequent, is Dusty Grooves. The reason why I like that record store because it has more variety and I can go in there and take my time. I used to be able to go and listen at the turntable at records and stuff. A lot of producers do that, but I don't do that anymore. I just go in there, I just look, I say, okay, this is like it got someone, I turn around, I look at the instruments, I look who's singing, and that's how I kind of guess what's kind of like on the record. And I end up purchasing it like that. That's my style. I like the soul side. I like soul and I like sampling. I like chopping records. I always go back to the MPCs, even my 2500. I always go back to that. You know, and I don't know why, it's something to do with like the pads, the chopping. It has that like boom bap feel to me, MPCs. It's just something about it, and I think I'm gonna continue to work on MPCs forever, you know, until I stop, until my hands fall apart or something. So yeah, MPC is the main choice, the first choice I go to when it comes to actually creating beats. Just go through a couple of records real fast, see if I can find something. Greg Perry Smoking. Let's see. Alright, let's go through and see what these five got. In my records, I should know what's on it. Work with that. Alright, I got the main part down on the beat. I'm not finished with it yet. I still got some other stuff to add to it. You know, a couple of crashes in there, of course some bass, and I'm gonna actually go on the keyboard on this too. Add a couple of more additional sounds to it, and then, hey man, you can throw it out there, see what I can do with it. This might go on my next project, or this might go to somebody, you know, looking for beats. We'll see. Alright, I had fun doing this, you know what I'm saying? I hope to do this again. So, thanks a lot, man. Peace.